Ka North Liberty High Secondary School ka wendek school bapau hajuai da ka jingsko sarong kalapun kup buram ya kisan ngut kisamla puli jongka kiban puli ya kakardan MBBS hapo ka kota jongka sorkar Meghalaya. Ya kani ka jimpun kup buram lapun long ha ka khatsan tarik risau banle kemen ya ka jingle bha kini kisamla puli ha ka examen need kabapen iya ka jing peteng jongka school banle bha ha ka ban sam jingdang jing start ha ka thain rilum jantia. Kini kisan ngut kisamla puli kidi wante bok pator ubayo ya kanit skor sanspak daipo ubanlit puli hamolana Azad Medical College New Delhi uda uni therbor pasi ubayo sauspak prapnyo uban puli Haji R Medical College Gwalior Madhya Pradesh uchanmi suchang sauspak nyopulai bat unlet shak RIMS ham Imphal kada thia diamplin kabayo ya kaskor kaba sauspak nripupra kan puli hadar bangga Medical College Bihar bat kawaka ni rin man ki shulai lai spa prapun reo kan let puli hanigrim shilong baro arngut wante bok bat uda uni klakren ha kan ka jingalang da kabaya ro ya ka school bat kino hikai kibla ai amtang ya ka jingdang jing start ha ka puli puthi hindrei wat ya ka jing hikai jing em bagi kan jo ya ka thong kila kentui ki para samla bantri shitam ha ka jing em puli puthi da ka bapan pawe ka jundan kam jo ka jing ya sha.
This place has not only been a place where we accumulate academic knowledge, but also learn valuable lessons that we could put forth in the days to come. The teachers here, ones that I've encountered with, has been but blessings beyond I have asked, and my relationships with them are ones that I'll cherish for the rest of my life. And I pray that as they've had put an imprint on me, I pray that the others will also see them with those eyes as they are continuing their very best in helping them. While we are celebrating today's event, our journey is one filled with challenges and perseverance. After completing our 11 and 12, we decided to take on the difficult decision to take a drop year. And this year, we rather have a diverse set of achievers who persisted in taking not only one drop year, but as much as needed. And I can confidently say that looking back, it is the foundation laid by the school and the previous ones we've been to that made us believe we could succeed.
You will face a lot of challenges, especially if you are new to this journey. It's almost like a completely different when you were back in class 11 and 12 as well. But for most also, the most important is if you have to be patient, especially in your Maktas as well. You might not get the score that you were expecting, but later by later you will get through it.
Principal Ubi Richard Yuria ulia ro ekini ki samla puli ki bawanra ya kanam ka buram joka school ka North Liberty kum ka jaka puli bapa khmat hajwai kabla tip na kabenta ka jingtibet jongka ha ka ji kai science na du usnam arjar khatnyo ulak do baka school kala mi bet ya ki samla puli ki bayo ya ki seat MBBS hapo ka baha joka sorkar jela bat ulaya thu ya ka jinga thu khana joka jing job jong compare AA pala usamla puli baning kong joka North Liberty ban job ya ka examen need menta ula pendap ya ka jing puli na ka Guwahati Medical College bat ubrio ubadon buram haka imlang salang.
In fact, 2-3 of them used to go every year in the past. And this year we have 5 students who had passed their class 12 from North Liberty and have been selected again. So I thought it would not be right if we don't start felicitating them. Because you bring honor not just to your family, but to the school, to me as a principal, and you can be a great source of motivation to your juniors. Am I right? You are leading the way for them to follow. In fact, I made sure that the class 10, class 11 and class 12 students are here because we are looking up to you to bring more laurels to your family and to the school in the coming years. Proud of the teachers of North Liberty. It's because of their hard work and dedication that students of this quality walk out of the school. So can we all give a round of applause to the teachers? Good students will not come out if there are no good parents. We need good parents to have good students. Am I right or wrong? These 5 students are going to study MBBS. Within a month or two's time, they'll be studying about genes. I don't know, you know or not you know what I'm talking about. Huh? We won't get these students if they don't have those genes from their parents. Am I right or wrong? You gitu, you parents come tip you self taught, you science from self taught. Uyo agi kon you start, ki uyo medical, kami ki bagi pale, ki wakat ki. To I start science on ki kajing start, kajing try be, kajing chlul, one ko here paten ko lagi bagi pa. Nikti genes, ki em ha met yung gibagi pa, lagi ki kon de yo kon ki start. Tahini por naloni genes, yo pile gibagi pa ki start. Open he person ye pi. Usnay ye pi. UMC ye pi. Lamem gini gibagi pa din yung pi. Igi nong ikay skur mi yu yarap ye pi. Don't worry about whether you'll pass in your promotion exam or not. Am I right or wrong, students? I always mention, passing your promotion is, leave it to me. Put the burden on me, not on you. Your first burden is to understand the concepts and apply whatever you learn in class 11. Because you don't have much time in class 11. When you come to class 12, forget all about your class 11. Concentrate on everything that's being taught in class 12. Play around with few mock tests which are available online. Play around with them. But don't get deviated from your target, that is your board exams. Do well in your board exams. Go on to your entrance exam and leave the results to the Lord. Let God take care of your results. But do not be disheartened if you are not selected in the first year. You have the drop year that was mentioned, or the year after your board exams. You have a full year to start, to prepare, to reflect, to apply what you have learned. That is what I kept drilling into your minds.
Ka kongsan hakani kasni ka Dr. Helen J. Yuria ka badai ka District Maternal and Child Health Officer bat ka Hemmenjong Principal Richard Yuria kala ajing karan hakani kasni. Kala karan siya panggijing hakalyang ka koi ka kya ki bagi brio ki mat haki jaka nong kendong bat wat hasor juwai ru hakaba buon ki hak balik syabar jong ka District bandit Sumar namar ka jimbam dan kila jing Sumar hakatan. Kala penpau ka jing kerman bakandan ka jing Sumar ka bakhambha haka District haki puar banwan. Ka Dr. Yuria kala ay kublay ru ikisan ngut samla puli kibla treshitam bat kila job hadien bakila shimrai bansang ye shisnam ban pankre ya ka examen need. Kala pensyur kiway pat kisamla puli ban board ikijing ang note jongki la kalong ha kakam Sumar ni kiway kikam kum kakam engineering kajing hikay ni kibenta bakarpang jong kakam Sumar. Lapun kot ya kajing lek kemenda ka ba ay kublay ya kini kisamla kiban puli MBBS ringkat kajing karman baka North Liberty kandang la syuk-syuk ban penmi ya kisamla puli kibatibit bha hakis number 1.
I have experienced whenever I went to the villages and the people complaining that we don't have money, we don't have the facilities to go and get treated outside of the state, which is the case in many, many villages. Not only villages, even our people of Joai town, we still have to go outside of West Jainti Hills district to other places to look for quality healthcare. So, because of the success of North Liberty Higher Secondary School, I had prepared a speech before I came here, 10 minutes granted before I came here, but I will now focus on these 5 who have decided to drop a year and pursue their NEET exam preparations for the whole year. It paid off, right? I'm sure many must have said, oh my goodness, you are losing 1 year. So my advice to you as a doctor who has graduated, right, from medical college is that every class that you have, think of it as, how am I going to use what I learned from this class in my medical practice? Each and every class. Pay attention to every class. No matter what you say. You are saying, I want to be a dermatologist, I want to be a psychologist, I want to be a psychiatrist, I want to be a neurosurgeon, I want to be a surgeon, gynecologist. Nothing should stop you from paying attention to every class that is taught in medical college. Sometimes, sometimes we go into it thinking that, no, I'm going to go because this is what I'm interested, I will not pay attention to that, I will not pay attention to that, right? But please, don't go in a selective manner. Pay attention to every topic. Romans 8:28, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Wanteba, Dauni, Chanmi, Dithyadiam, Wakani Manki, you have been called with a purpose. Okay? You have been chosen with a purpose. Go forth and shine and be the beacon for the people of West Jainti Hills. We are looking forward to quality doctors who will not say no to come and work in West Jainti Hills. We will look forward to having such quality healthcare in West Jainti Hills that no one will have to go outside of West Jainti Hills to seek healthcare, and we will be able to give all the high-end tertiary care in our own district. Can we dream that big? Where did I get that dream? See this envelope? It's stamped 22nd March 2008. This letter was sent to me by Dr. Wayne Bigelow from California, USA. He was an inspiration to me. When I first started out in pre-med, going to medical college in pre-med, he sent me this. Look, it's very old. You see it? He sent me this. And I read it and I highlighted it. Do you see the highlights? Pink. You see the highlights? Pink. Right? All the lines? I highlighted it. And I felt that I should share quotes from this because this was what I read when I first set out to be a doctor, and quotes from something that is in here and conclude my speech.